You can see the importance of taking your training to the next level. Man, train harder. Train like a madman, man. Let's do some crazy workout here. You understand what I'm saying, man? There's no time to waste. As I told you before, as you advance, you'll be going higher and higher. Continue to train hard. We're not just here to build muscles, we're here to train ourselves to the best of our abilities. We want to come at the top, the number one spot in the world, man. Train and train and train. Train as if tomorrow, as if today is the only day that you have to live for. Man, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Time up, man, time. Workout time, workout, man. Continue, keep crushing life, keep winning, keep moving, keep on. Move. Go, man. This one is just, I did this one to entertain you a little. Yeah, you saw the weight vest that I did in the first video that I did. So this one is just follow up. There's still more interesting workout that we have to do. Continue to enjoy the workout.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Train like a madman, man. Let's do some crazy workout here. You understand what I'm saying, man? There's no time to waste. As I told you before, as you advance, you'll be going higher and higher. Continue to train hard. We're not just here to build muscles, we're here to train ourselves to the best of our abilities. We want to come at the top, the number one spot in the world, man. Train and train. Train as if tomorrow, as if today is the only day that you have to live for. Man, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Time up, man, time. Workout time, workout, man. Continue, keep crushing life, keep winning, keep moving, keep on. Move. Go, man. This one is just, I did this one to entertain you a little. Yeah, you saw the weight vest that I did in the first video that I did. So this one is just follow up. There's still more interesting workout that we have to do. Continue to enjoy the workout. No pain, no gain, man.